Hello students, today I will discuss coordinate system. Okay, this is a very important part for 9 and 10. 9 and 10 both, not only 9 and 10, 11, 12, because this concept is very much required. In the coordinate system, what we get? We get the position of a point, position of the point in a two-dimension space. This is a two-dimension, we are discussing two-dimension space or two-dimension system. These two lines are called axes. These are all mutually perpendicular axes. That means this angle is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. This point is called O, that is origin. Origin means from here the point we will start to locate the point. This is called origin. In coordinate system, we just discuss the position of a point with respect to the axis. With respect to the axis by some parameters. These are called abscissa. Abscissa. That is denoted by x, and ordinate denoted by y. What is abscissa and what is ordinate? Suppose the coordinate of a point is x comma y. This one is x comma. Acha. Before that, so this is called x-axis. X, O, X dash. This is called x-axis and this is called y-axis, right? This is called x-axis, this is called y-axis. Okay. Here x is positive. Sir, what is x? I am coming to the point. X is positive, y is positive. That means this is called y-axis. Right hand side of y-axis is here, x is positive. Right hand side of y-axis, in the right hand side of y-axis, x is positive. And in the left hand side of y, there is x is negative. In the upper side of x-axis, y is positive, right? And in the lower side of x-axis, y is negative. Y is negative. Okay. So these are the points. Now what is x and what is y? Suppose this point is x comma y. Look, here x and y is positive. Here x is negative, y is positive. Here x negative, y positive, y negative, and here x positive, y negative. Okay. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now what is x? Suppose this point, the coordinate of this point is x, y. So we draw a perpendicular here. And we draw a perpendicular also here. Okay. Look, from here, the distance of the point, P, suppose this is P. The distance of the point P from the y-axis is how much? 6. That is x. That is x. And the distance of the point from x-axis is how much? 5. So the point is 6, 5. That is x is called abscissa. So what is abscissa? Abscissa is the perpendicular distance of a point from the y-axis. Abscissa is the perpendicular distance. Abscissa is the perpendicular distance of a point here P from y-axis, okay. And what is ordinate? In case of ordinate is a perpendicular, ordinate is the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. This is ordinate, this portion is ordinate, that this distance from x-axis. And this distance is from y-axis. So distance from y-axis is called abscissa and distance from x-axis is called ordinate. Okay. So any point is expressed by x comma y. That means abscissa comma ordinate. It may be positive or it may be negative. You see that upper part, right side of y-axis is x positive, and left hand side of y-axis is negative, that is x negative. In the upper portion of x-axis, y is positive, y positive. In the lower portion of x-axis, y is negative. Okay, these are the basics of coordinate system. Now, for a point on x-axis, suppose for a point on x-axis, what will I do? Suppose any point on the x-axis. Look, suppose the point on the x-axis is this one. Here the point is. Look, here, suppose this is Q. So Q is 3, 0. Why? Look, 1, 2, 3. So 3 unit is the distance from y-axis. 3 unit is the distance from y-axis. But what is the distance from x-axis? Nothing. So that is 0. So this is abscissa, this is 0. So any point on x-axis is plus minus x, 0. It may be here. So it will be minus 5, 0. So any point on the x-axis is plus minus x, 0. That is y part is 0. And any point on y-axis, suppose this one, this is 0, 4. Why? Because the distance from x-axis is 4, but distance from y-axis is nothing, 0. So this is 0, 4. So any point on y-axis is 0, y, plus minus y. If it is in the upper part, so plus. If it is in the lower part, it is 0. So what is the equation of x-axis? Equation of x-axis means y equal to 0, because on x-axis y is always 0. So that is the common portion. That is the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, and equation of y-axis x equal to 0. Okay, these are the basic for coordinate system. Now we will move on to points, different points on the coordinate system. Okay, now suppose a point is given in the first quadrant. Say this point is 3, 4. This one, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 3, right? So what is the distance of the point P? This is 3, 4, right? What is the distance of the point P from origin? This is called origin. Origin means where x-axis and y-axis intersect each other. Okay, so here we see that this distance, this is nothing but the hypotenuse, because this is 90 degree. Because I told you in case of ordinate, this is the perpendicular distance of the point from x-axis, and in case of abscissa, this is the perpendicular distance of the point from the y-axis. So this is 90 degrees, so this is the hypotenuse. Now this one is 4, this one is 3. So OP is how much? Root over of 3 square plus 4 square. Base square plus perpendicular square, that is root over 25 equal to 5. Okay, so OP is 5. OP equal to 5. Now suppose the point, there are 2 points, we have to find the distance without using the distance formula. There are formula of finding a distance, but without using distance formula, we can find the distance of some point. Suppose this point is 6, 0, and this point is minus 5, 0. Why minus 5, 0? This is minus, because on the left hand side of y-axis. What is the distance between 2 points? Suppose this is P, this is Q. What is PQ? Look here, no rectangle, no triangle is formed. So we cannot use the Pythagoras theorem or finding the hypotenuse. We cannot use. Then how will I find the distance between PQ? Look, this is 6 unit and this is 5 unit, because this is 6 unit from right, from the origin, and this is in the right side, that is plus 6, and this is minus. But what is the distance between these 2 points? Should I write x minus 6 minus 5? That is 1. Distance between 2 points is 1. No. These are all units. So distance between 2 points, that is PQ, is 6, positive sign. We have taken first minus of minus 5, because difference of 2 coordinates. Difference of 2 points, that is 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11. Okay. because they are in the opposite side. This one and this one added. Suppose this point is here, 3, this one 3, 0. This is Q, 3, 0, right? So here, what is the distance of PQ? What is the distance between PQ? What will I write? PQ, that is 6, 0 and 3, 0. The PQ is 6 minus 3, that is 3. That is 3. Look, this is P, right? This is P. This distance is 6, this distance is 3. Is it clear? This is 3. And in total distance is 6. So this portion is 6 minus 3, that is 3. Because why it is minus? Because they are in the same direction. That is why minus. Okay. In the previous case we have done addition because they are in the opposite direction. In this way we can find the distance between 2 points if they are in the same axis. Not only that, if they are in the x-axis and y-axis, we can find the distance between them. But now we'll discuss, if the point is not on the x-axis and y-axis, how will I find the distance between them? Okay. Now we are finding the distance between 2 points. Suppose this is point A, this is point B. Look, this A and B point is not on the x-axis or y-axis. Then how will we find the distance between these 2 points? Very easy. Draw a perpendicular here and you draw a perpendicular here. Again, draw a perpendicular here and you join this one. Look, this is 90-degree perpendicular. So this is hypotenuse. AB is hypotenuse. Suppose this is M. So AB is hypotenuse. Look, this one is x2, right? Because the abscissa of this point is x2. That means the distance from origin, or distance from y-axis. And this is x1. That means this one is x1. So what is this one? This portion is x1 minus x2. So this is also x1 minus x2, right? Now, total this portion, that means, suppose this is B, I told you. This is P. This is Q. Now BP is, what is BP? BP is y1 and this is y2. This portion is y2 and total is y1. So this portion is y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. Okay. Now what is AB? AB is the hypotenuse. AB is the hypotenuse. So AB equal to root over AM square base square plus perpendicular square plus perpendicular square. That means what is AM? x1 minus x2 whole square plus what is BM? y1 minus y2 whole square. That means distance between 2 points. What can I write? x1 minus x2 means difference of the ordinate. Difference of the, abscissa whole square plus, this is what? This is difference of ordinates. Difference of ordinates whole square. Distance between 2 points means difference of the abscissa whole square plus difference of ordinates whole square. This is the formula of finding the distance between 2 points which are not on x-axis or y-axis. If the points are also x and y-axis, then only you can use. Actually, this formula is for any point. For any point, whether it is on x-axis, y-axis or any point, any arbitrary point, we can use this formula. Okay. So whatever the things, these are called perpendicular axis. X-axis and y-axis are mutually perpendicular axis. Okay. So these are the basics of coordinate system. Now, I think some parts are left. Let me see some part. No, we have already discussed everything. Everything we have discussed. This is for class 9, but it will help you in class 10 also, because there you will learn straight line. In that portion, this concept is very much required. Okay, I think you will like the video. Okay, and thank you for watching.